Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to set up and use Google Dark Web Report and see if our data is leaked or not. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Google's dark web report will scan and monitor our sensitive information and let us know if they got leaked in the dark web, because plenty of websites and apps get hacked these days. Through that, our email address and password will be distributed in the dark web for misuse. To overcome this, we have to regularly change our password, and we can also use the Google's dark web report. To do this on our mobile, we have to open the Google app and we have to make sure we are using the required Google account for this, for which we want to get the dark web search results. So we have to select our profile icon and go to manage your Google account. So here we have to go to security and sign in. Now on this page, we have to go to the bottom and here we will have the dark web report option. We just have to select this. They will also ask for account verification. We have to do that and then we will get this start monitoring page. So we have to recheck our email address here and then we can select start monitoring. So here we have to check all the options, all the sensitive private options for which we want to get dark web search results. It could include a name, date of birth, email address, phone number, etc. So we have to select all that. In this case, I'm going to choose select all and I'm going to select allow here. And we have to recheck all the information. We can also add the address if we want, and after that we can select done. That's all, your monitoring profile has been updated. It will take a few seconds to check if any of our private information has been leaked in the dark web. Google Dark Web Report will send us emails like this, and if we go to the report, we can see on how many data breaches our sensitive information got leaked. A lot of websites and apps get hacked these days, and it is good to change our password regularly and enable two-step verification for our account as well. And to do this on our desktop, we have to open a web browser and go to google.com and make sure that we have logged in using our required Google account, and we have to select the profile pic icon and then go to manage your Google account. Here on this side, we have to go to security and sign in. Now on this page, we have to go to the bottom and here we will have the dark web report option. So we can select this and do like we did on the mobile app. That's all. These are the steps to set up and use Google Dark Web Report. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.